we need to know what are the hydrates in order to get or to think about what kind of solution we can apply to that. So the hydration in general terms, or summarizing it, is something like a ice cube, and what happens is that molecules of water involves hydrocarbons and sometimes CO2 and form a solid or a stable form depending on conditions of pressure and temperature. And I have some pictures here to show you, and you can see that it is like ice cream, and once it forms in the truck connection in this case, or in the hose in this case, it blocks the passage, and it can help also in the control valves during the pressurization of the natural gas and etc.